Thinking Like a Programmer, available for free on automateofficework.com. Thinking Like a Programmer by Justin Turman. Introduction. Why think like a programmer? Programming is often thought of as a highly technical skill, reserved for those fluent in writing lines of code. However, thinking like a programmer goes far beyond syntax and software. It is a way of approaching problems with clarity, creativity, and logic. This mindset, often called computational thinking, holds immense value not just for developers, but for anyone seeking to navigate the complexities of modern life. By understanding the principles behind how programmers think, you can transform your approach to challenges, decisions, and even personal goals. The importance of understanding computational thinking. At its core, computational thinking is a problem solving methodology that borrows from the practices of computer science. It involves breaking down complex problems into smaller, manageable parts, identifying patterns, and devising step by step strategies to reach a solution. These skills are essential in programming, where ambiguity is the enemy and precision is critical. But they are just as useful in other areas of life, from organizing a project to troubleshooting a household issue. Consider, for example, planning a family vacation. The task can feel overwhelming. Choosing a destination, setting a budget, booking accommodations, and coordinating activities. A computational thinker would start by breaking this large problem into smaller tasks, addressing each in turn. They might identify patterns in past trips to predict potential issues and apply a systematic approach to optimize costs and schedules. By thinking like a programmer, they reduce stress and ensure no detail is overlooked. In an era of increasing complexity where decisions often involve competing priorities and incomplete information, computational thinking provides a framework to navigate uncertainty. It encourages clear analysis, logical reasoning, and adaptability, qualities that benefit everyone, regardless of their familiarity with technology. Improving problem solving in everyday life. The ability to think like a programmer can make a profound difference in how you solve problems, big or small. One hallmark of this mindset is the emphasis on understanding the root cause of an issue before attempting a solution. Programmers learn early on that patching a symptom without addressing the underlying problem leads to recurring errors. The same principle applies in everyday situations. Fixing a flat tire is one thing, but identifying why the tire keeps deflating ensures the problem won't return. Another key aspect of this approach is abstraction, the ability to focus on what is essential while setting aside irrelevant details. For example, when learning a new recipe, you don't need to know the chemistry behind every ingredient. Instead, you focus on the sequence of steps that leads to a successful dish. This ability to prioritize and simplify can help you make better decisions, save time, and avoid unnecessary frustration. Lastly, computational thinking emphasizes iteration, the process of testing, refining, and improving a solution over time. Programmers rarely get things perfect on the first try, and neither do the rest of us. Embracing this mindset helps you view mistakes as opportunities to learn and grow rather than as failures. A preview of the book's approach. The goal of this book is to introduce you to the principles of computational thinking without diving into the technicalities of coding. While programming languages are valuable tools, the concepts behind them are what truly empower problem solving. By focusing on these concepts, this book offers an accessible entry point for anyone, whether you're a student, a professional, or someone simply curious about new ways of thinking. Each chapter will explore a key aspect of computational thinking, from breaking down problems into smaller parts to recognizing patterns and designing efficient solutions. You'll find relatable examples drawn from everyday life to help you see how these principles apply beyond the screen. There's no prerequisite knowledge required, just an open mind and a willingness to think differently. By the end of this book, you'll have a deeper appreciation for the mindset that drives programmers and a toolkit of strategies to approach challenges in smarter, more efficient ways. Whether you're tackling a tricky work problem, learning a new skill, or just organizing your day, thinking like a programmer can help you unlock new levels of insight and creativity. The journey begins here, not with code, but with concepts.